Good evening, madam. We are Group 1 Ocean Hero Organization. Here, we are presenting our progress video regarding on our community project named as Skin Protect Ocean Respect. Last week, madam had checked from introduction to goal and objective. Next, I will presenting on description of the project. Our project name is Skin Protect Ocean Respect, and the duration of this project is 2 days, which is on 30 May 2020 and 6 June 2020. The program will be about raising awareness of harmful impact of conventional sunscreen product on marine life and human health to public. Besides, raise a charity fund and promote reef-safe sunscreen product. This program will be collaborated with a few companies that sell reef-safe sunscreen product, medical assistants, and volunteers.
A one-day seminar will be organized to raise the awareness of harmful impact of conventional sunscreen products to the public in Kuala Terengganu. This program will be promoted with flyers, banners, brochures, and advertisement in social media. A few experts will be invited to share the harmful impacts of sunscreen product and to human health. Please refer to Appendix A for tentative sessions. In addition, a few booths will be set up for the collaborators to sell their reef-safe sunscreen products. 20% discount of the reef-safe products may be offered by the collaborators.
A charity run will be organized and all of the registration fee will be contributed to the charity fund. A few companies may be collaborated to sponsor their reef-safe sunscreen product tested in the run to promote these products to public in Kuala Terengganu. A few booths will be set up to sell the reef-safe sunscreen product by the collaborators. Please refer to Appendix B for tentative sections.
Our location will be located at University Malaysia Terengganu and Tok Jembal area. Two justifications for our location is there will be a viability of sufficient suitable lands for this prospective program at an economical viable price with a lot of parking space. It's also a crime-free area and situated in a popular hangout spot which will attract more visitors. The name of premise is Auditorium PSNZ UMT Seminar at the seminar room and Tapak Congo UMT for the charity run.
Our target community for our program is Kuala Terengganu community and UMT students. And the number of required facilities for charity run is about 40 people, and for the seminar will be around 15 people.
The two main collaborators are Badger Bar Malaysia and Stream to Sea Company. The key role played by the collaborators are introduce their reef-safe sunscreen product from their companies to the public, sponsor tester of reef-safe sunscreen product and 5 sets of winning prizes for the charity run, provide experts from their companies to share the harmful impact of conventional sunscreen products on marine life and human health.
Next, we will move on to the SWOT analysis. The strength on our project that we have the knowledge of which reef-safe sunscreen products should be used for everyone to protect our health and ocean. And the weakness of our project is the charity run can be weak due to the bad weather condition or other competing event on the same day.
Our program will create two opportunities, as Ocean Heroes is an organization that promotes conservation of marine environment. This is an opportunity to introduce the members of public about the harmful impact of sunscreen products on marine life and human health. There are not much local companies that sell reef-safe sunscreen products, so it is an opportunity to promote these products to Malaysian market. There are a few threats on our program. Some participants may be injured during the charity run. Besides, lack of buyers to consume the reef-safe sunscreen products during the run and seminar.
The promotional plan for this program are distribute flyers and set up banners in the Kuala Terengganu community and UMT students. Advertise the campaign through media socials such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Offer promotional pricing for the reef-safe sunscreen products to encourage more purchasing.
Now we will move on to the operation cost. For the materials, we will cost about 3,461 with 50 cents, and rental will cost about 5,210, and for the publicity will cost about 660, and for the refreshment will cost about 175, and the token of appreciation will cost about 40 ringgit, and the grand total is about 9,546.50. This approximate cost of the proposed program amount to 9,636.50. Please refer to the Appendix C for a detailed operational cost.
Our anticipated outcomes will be the public will increase their awareness of harmful impacts of conventional sunscreen products on marine life and human health. Next, there is an increased number in using reef-safe sunscreen products among Malaysian peoples. Besides, we are also able to raise funds and donate to the conservation organization. Next, these are our reference. This is our first appendix on tentative for seminar on 13 May 2020. And next will be the appendix for tentative for charity run on 6 June 2020. And our appendix C will be on detailed operational costs. Appendix D will be about the Gantt chart of our program. And Appendix E, this is our design of seminar brochure with size of 17 inches times 11 inches. And Appendix F will be the design of flyer. And Appendix G will be the design of banner.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Last but not least, on Appendix H, these are the examples of reef-safe sunscreen products. That's all for our progress video. Thank you.
Thank you.